Please subscribe.
The redesigned 2019 Mazda 3 is making moves upmarket, and that's reflected in its significantly higher pricing. Compared with its predecessor, the new car's base price is $2,905 higher, starting at $21,895 for the Mazda 3 sedan, with 6-speed automatic transmission. A fully loaded 3 hatchback with all-wheel drive can top $30,000, if only just, at $30,390. The higher price is only part of the story, however, as Mazda has completely revised the 3's trim-level structure. There will only be one engine choice at first, a 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder with 186 horsepower and 186 pounds-foot of torque. A version of this engine was previously available on the 3's higher trims, with a less powerful 155 horsepower 2.0-liter 4-cylinder as standard. Skyactiv-X, Mazda's compression ignition-capable engine, will join the lineup later. Instead of the familiar Sport, Touring, and Grand Touring models, Mazda is switching to Base, Select, Sedan-only, Preferred, and Premium trims. Opting for the hatchback body style costs $1,000 for most models. It's $1,600 for the base model, while all-wheel drive is a $1,400 upgrade on most trims. The only way to get the 6-speed manual transmission is to opt for the front-wheel drive 3 hatchback in its premium trim, which offers the stick shift as a no-cost option for $28,395. Standard features on the base 3 sedan, $21,895, include 16-inch wheels, cloth seats, 8.8-inch infotainment screen, the sedan select trim, $23,495, and the hatchback's base trim, $24,495. Add features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, leatherette upholstery, automatic dual-zone climate control, keyless entry, and push-button start. Skyactiv-X active safety features, 18-inch wheels, the preferred trim, $25,095. Gains: 12-speaker Bose audio system, power driver's seat, heated front seats, the top premium trim, $27,395. Adds features such as head-up display, leather seats, LED headlights, and taillight sunroof. The only standalone options are 3 premium paint colors: $200 for snowflake white pearl, mica, $300 for machine gray metallic, and $595 for soul red crystal. The 2019 Mazda 3 will go on